Hello, Year Twos. Now, I'm hoping you've watched the YouTube video about the conjunction words. We're going to do a little bit more and use the words when, because, and if. Sometimes they call it some subordination instead of conjunction words, but it means the same thing. We are joining two sentences together using when, because, and if. It says, can you write a sentence for each of these pictures using the conjunction if? We're not going to write them, you just need to say them aloud. The first one has been done for you. You can have your cake if you have eaten your salad. Pause the recording and see if you can work out one or two of these picture sentences to make sense. Okay, let's have a look what they say. You can play your guitar if you've put the rubbish away. You can have an ice cream if you help to wash up. You can have new trainers if you put away your clothes. You can play outside if you've tidied your bedroom. Well done. We're going to look at the pictures around the clock. Can you choose two pictures and write a sentence about when you do these two things, using the conjunction when to join the clauses? For example, I will go to bed when I've eaten my dinner. Have a look at two of those pictures and then pause the recording and see if you can have a go at trying to make your sentence. Right, let's have a look. I will do my work when I've eaten my lunch. I will go home when I've done my work. I will play outside when I get home. I will eat my dinner when I have played outside. I will go to bed when I've eaten my dinner. I will go to sleep when I've gone to bed. Well done, Year Twos. Fantastic effort. Now, we're going to try and see if we can change each of these conversations into a complex sentence using the conjunction because. Remember, complex means a little bit more involved. So we're just trying to join the two sentences up. Pause the recording and give it a go yourself. See if you can do it. Ask your grown-up to help you. Right, let's have a look. First one says, why do I have to exercise? And the young boy called Sam says, exercise helps to keep your body healthy. Let's see if we can get that answer. You have to exercise because it helps to keep your body healthy. This young girl with a heart on her shirt says, why are flamingos pink? And her friend said, flamingos eat pink shrimp. So if we're going to change this conversation into a complex sentence, we'll say, flamingos are pink because they eat pink shrimp. So this boy has said, why are there 365 days in a year? And his friend in the dungaree says, that's how long it takes for the Earth to go around the sun. You know that there are 365 days in a year because that's how long it takes for the Earth to go around the sun. Instead of writing your own question and answer conversation, can you talk to your grown-up and see if you can give two sentences and then join them up with because. Let's do this last slide together. These sentences are missing conjunctions. Remember, they're the joining words. Can you sort them into either the because or the if lunchbox? Here is the because lunchbox and the if lunchbox. Let's start with this sentence. I had a drink of water. Something I was thirsty. Where do you think it goes? Would we say I had a drink of water if I was thirsty? Or I had a drink of water because I was thirsty. Well done, it is because. Let's try and go through them all before we see the answers. Let's go to the next one. Something you leave now, you will arrive on time. So let's try the first word. Because you leave now, you will arrive on time. Does that make sense? Or does the sentence make sense? If you leave now, you will arrive on time. That's right. It definitely goes into the yellow if lunchbox. If you leave now, you will arrive on time. My sister ate all the biscuits. Because they are her favorite. Does that make sense? Or my sister ate all the biscuits if they are her favorite. No, it's definitely because, and this sentence will go in the blue box. My sister ate all the biscuits because they are her favorite. Well done. Let's have a look at the answers. I had a drink of water because I was thirsty. Put your hand up if you need help. If you leave now, you will arrive on time. My sister ate all the biscuits because they are her favorite. You can have a sticker because you tried your best. You can also see that with this sentence, you can have a sticker if you tried your best, can go in both lunchboxes because they both make sense. We can play board games because it is a rainy day. This is another sentence that you can use both conjunction words. Have a look. This sentence is also in the if lunchbox. We can play board games if it is a rainy day. Well done, Year 2s. You have worked really hard. Let's see now if you can try your worksheets.